$5,000. It's not just a number. It's the line that, once you cross it, completely rewires how your brain works. And the strangest part is, most people never actually cross that line. Today, I'm going to break down exactly what's hiding behind this one number, and at the end, I'll tell you something you've probably never heard before. Let's get into it. Most people think real relief comes with big money, $100,000, $1 million. But the biggest mental shift actually happens at $5,000. Why? Because before that point, most people are living paycheck to paycheck. The salary comes in every month, and it's gone before the next one even arrives. In that situation, every tiny problem turns into a full-blown crisis. Your car breaks down and your entire month gets thrown off. A random medical bill shows up and panic instantly kicks in. But the moment you actually have $5,000 saved up, something strange starts happening. Suddenly, those small problems don't feel so massive anymore. And this is where the real story begins. The first shift happens in decision-making. When you have no buffer, you make decisions out of fear. You stay stuck in a bad job because you can't afford the risk of leaving. But the moment you have a $5,000 cushion, options start opening up. You can look for a better job without panicking. You can walk away from a bad deal without being scared. The second shift happens with your sleep. This sounds strange, but financial stress directly affects how well you sleep. When your account balance is low, your brain keeps thinking about it even at night. But once that cushion exists, that background anxiety starts fading away. The third shift is the most interesting one. After $5,000, people start thinking completely differently. Before they were thinking, I just need to survive. After they start thinking, what can I actually build now? This is the exact turning point where a saving mindset shifts into a building mindset. But here's the twist that most people completely miss. Reaching $5,000 isn't actually the hardest part. The hardest part is what happens after, holding on to it. Because the moment a little extra money shows up, the brain instantly starts looking for reasons to spend it. A new gadget, a vacation, anything. And that's exactly the moment most people end up right back at zero. So the real question isn't how to save $5,000. The real question is, what's your next move without touching that $5,000? And that next move is putting that money to work instead of just letting it sit there. Because money that just sits there gives you safety. But money that actually works for you gives you freedom. So whether you're close to $5,000 right now or still far from it, remember one thing. This isn't just a number. It's the moment your entire mindset shifts. And once that mindset shifts, everything else starts changing on its own. If you want more real financial insights and practical money lessons like this every week, subscribe now. Because in the next video, I'm going to show you another concept that might completely change how you think.